Hi, my name is Laurent Meunier, and I'm the partner here at Safe Pacific Financial. If you've seen some of our other videos, you know that we specialize in life insurance and investments for business owners and high-income professionals. Specifically, we use strategies that involve leveraging participating whole life policies. So strategies like infinite banking or immediate financing arrangement or insured retirement plans. Today, we're going to be talking about some companies that provide the type of insurance policies in Canada and discuss the history and some statistics around each one. So there are many whole life providers, and we're independent, so we have contracts to work with all of them, but not all whole life policies are created equal. So we usually work with the same 3 to 5 companies who have the best policies for our type of client. So this is Sun Life, Manulife, Canada Life, and Equitable Life are the big ones. So let's start with Sun Life. Sun Life Financial has been in business for more than 150 years. The company was founded in 1865 in Montreal and was initially known as the Sun Insurance Company. So at the time, the company offered fire insurance, marine insurance, and life insurance. And then the company grew over the years, expanding the product range and entering new markets. Today, Sun Life is a global organization with operations in North America, Asia, Europe, and other regions. The Sun Life's participating whole life insurance policies, they're great policies. They offer lifelong coverage and offer dividends. And the dividends are paid to the policyholders when the company's financial results exceed certain thresholds. And this is based on the performance of the assets in the company's participating account. And then the participating account is managed by a team of professionals who basically do this as a full-time job all day, every day. Sun Life's participating account is a diversified portfolio across a range of assets that includes fixed income, equities, and even alternative investments. In 2020, the participating account had $27.4 billion in assets in the fund. Because of this, Sun Life has been consistently paying dividends to participating whole life insurance holders for over 150 years. In 2020, Sun Life paid out $1.3 billion in dividends to just the participating policy holders. As a policy holder, you can choose how to receive those dividends. So either as a cash payment, you could reduce your premiums, you can reinvest back into the policy, which would increase your death benefit and your cash values. This is called the paid up additions. This is what we use a lot. It's the supercharger for our policies. And their participating whole life insurance, generally in the last 10 years, the average has been around 6.15% as their dividend scales. Additionally, the policies have a guaranteed cash value that grows over time, and it provides an additional source of savings and really security for the policyholder. Now let's talk about Manulife. Manulife's been providing financial protection to families and individuals for more than 130 years. The company was started in 1887 in Toronto by actually Canada's first Prime Minister, John A. Macdonald. And it was initially known as the Manufacturers Life Insurance Company. In the early years, they focused primarily on providing life insurance to Canadian families. But today, Manulife offers everything, a range of financial products and services. So they do life insurance, health insurance, retirement planning, investment management. And one of their most popular types of life insurance products is the participating whole life insurance policy. Similar to Sun Life, these policies provide lifelong coverage, and they offer the opportunity to earn a dividend. Dividends are based on the company's participating account. Participating account is a pool of funds that's invested by Manulife to produce a return, and it's managed by a team of professionals. And they have a disciplined investment strategy, again, designed to generate consistent long-term returns. Manulife's been paying dividends to their participating policyholders for more than 100 years. And as of 2020, their participating fund had over $40.3 billion in assets. In 2020, again, they paid out over $1.7 billion in dividends to these participating policy holders. Manulife's participating whole life insurance policies, on average over the last 10 years, have been generating a dividend scale of 6.5%. And additionally, these policies offer the potential for the tax-deferred growth of cash values and dividend. Now, I'm going to talk about Canada's oldest insurance company. This is Canada Life. Canada Life is one of Canada's largest insurance companies with a history that goes back to 1847. It was originally founded as the Canada Life Assurance Company, and they actually wrote their first policy in 1848. So at the time, life insurance was a new concept, and Canada Life really played a significant role in popularizing it across the country. And then over the years, the company has grown and evolved. So today, it's a subsidiary of Great-West Lifeco, which is a subsidiary of Power Corp, one of Canada's largest financial service companies. So although the dividends of all of these policies are not guaranteed, and they can fluctuate from year to year based on the performance of whatever their participating account is. But Canada Life has a huge history of paying dividends. They have a track record that has paid dividends every single year for more than 170 years. Canada Life's participating account is invested in a bunch of stuff. So fixed income, securities, equities, and a lot of real estate. As of December 2020, they had $42.4 billion in total assets. And actually today, they have over $50 billion in assets in their participating fund, which makes it the largest one in Canada. And in 2020, they paid out $1.5 billion in dividends to these participating policyholders. And again, Canada Life's participating policies also provide a death benefit, which means that, your beneficiaries would receive a lump sum when you pass away. And Canada Life's whole life policies can be customized to meet the needs of you, the policyholder, right? So they have options like paid up additions, which allows you to buy more coverage without the need for additional medical. It also turbocharges the cash growth. Last, I want to talk about the youngest whole life insurance company, and this is Equitable Life. Equitable Life Insurance was founded in 1920 with the goal of providing Canadians with financial protection and security, and they actually just celebrated their 100-year anniversary in 2020. They have a good and rich history of innovation in the life insurance industry and several firsts. Actually, Equitable was the first to do a bunch of things. They were the first Canadian company to offer group life insurance and the first to offer universal life insurance. Over the years, the company's grown and expanded the product offering to include a range of financial services such as critical illness insurance, obviously life insurance, group benefits, and a bunch of types of investments. Today, Equitable is one of Canada's largest mutual life insurance companies, which means that it's owned by the policyholders rather than by outside shareholders. And people who follow the infinite banking concept really like Equitable because it is a mutual company. Personally, my first whole life policy was from Equitable Life, and I still have it. And in fact, I'm about to take a policy loan from them to buy a new car within the next couple of months. Equitable Life's participating whole life policies have a track record of paying a dividend for more than 90 years. In 2020, they had over $1.9 billion worth of total assets, and they'd paid out $57 million in dividends to their policy owners that year. Their participating whole life also offers a range of different types of riders, such as accidental death or riders for children, waiver of premium. So really a lot of flexibility on how you want to structure these and for what and for why. That's it for now. If you like this video, please do all the things the algorithm loves. Like it, subscribe, share. And you know what? We'll see you next time.